I really am an Hermes whore. We're gonna be unboxing a new Hermes bag that I got. I think I have a problem. Oh my god. You guys, I got another bag. I really have a problem. I think I'm becoming an Hermes whore. I literally have a problem. Ready to unbox a bag with me that I didn't even know I wanted and didn't even know I was gonna get. You guys! Oh my god, I have a shopping problem. I think I literally am a shopaholic. I am a shopaholic. And a bagaholic. And a workaholic. And an alcoholic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayak and I'm a fashion freak, a goyard geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic chic-shitted, and of course, an Hermes whore. And today, we're gonna be unboxing a new Hermes bag that I got. New January 2023, just got fresh off of the press. Brand new, hard to get, impossible to get, mini bag. What is it? Are you guys worried? Are you guys crazy? What is it? What did I get? Oh my god. Stay tuned. If you want to see what I got, stick around. Please smash that like button. Please smash it. Before we get into it, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and keep on watching and follow me on my Hermes journey, working for my Birkin Hermes journey. This is my working for my Birkin journey. What did I get? Did I get my Birkin? I don't know, did I? Did I get my Birkin? Did I? I guess you have to wait and see. Okay, so really quick, I'm just gonna go through what happened, how this happened, and what I got. And then we'll do the unboxing and we'll talk about that bag. Okay, so basically I went into, so if you watch my last video, my working by Birkin part 10, wow. I went in to go pick up a t-shirt. I had got the sheepers and I went to go pick up a black t-shirt that was an online order that had just come in. And I wanted to order a few more shirts because I'm going to France. Actually, when I post this video, I will be in France. I'm in France. I went in to get a couple more shirts, different colors of the same polo and tees, just basics that I wanted to have in France with me to wear while I go into Hermes again and just have a bunch of, a couple of different colors from the ones I had last time. I'm also thinking about dyeing my hair before I go, because if you guys watch my Hermes journey in France, it's a little questionable where I'm at with them right now. So maybe just dye my hair and change my look a little bit for some of the people in some of the stores and see if that works. Maybe get a haircut, maybe wear some glasses, maybe wear some sunglasses, different clothes, different bags. Anyway, so I went in to go pick up the shirt and get another couple shirts. So go in, I think he's with another client. So sit down, look around, just kind of hang out. And I brought chai with me. Everyone at the store loves chai. First of all, walking into Hermes here is it's like night and day. Everyone's so friendly, everyone's so nice. Especially when I walk in chai, all these ladies come up to him. There's this lovely another SA who I've seen a few times, who's met chai a few times, who's a dog lover. She loved him. She came up to him, played with him. Another SA played with him. A third SA who was sitting by us at the couches upstairs was looking at him. Another guy came up, literally 5 or 6 people came up. Granted, it was a Monday and it was still packed. It was a rainy day, rainy in LA. Busy, but it wasn't as busy as it normally was. And literally all the SAs came up. And then that lovely SA later came up and chatted with us for a while, told us about her dog, has the exact same dog, looks just like Chai, was a rescue. She gave him treats. She had my SA brought a water bottle out for him. So everyone was it was a very I just love the experience. It's so friendly and everyone's so nice and everyone just says hi and it's so cute and whatever. Anyway, I digress. I gave him a list of shirts that I was looking at, the colors and the style numbers. I had already written them out because I'm just super type A and meticulous like that. So here are all the style numbers and I texted it into text to him, each style number separate as a text so you could just copy and paste it and look for them. So we looked for all the shirts. One shirt was available online for order. So I ordered it, I bought it. The second 5 or 6 ones were at different stores. So we had to request to have them shipped to the store. So I can't buy them until they get shipped to the store. And then once they're there, he's going to call me and tell me if he got them. So I bought an orange polo, similar to the yellow one, to the pink one that I have. And I requested a tee in blue and a couple more tees in the light blue, dark blue, another purple, another pink, another red. So we'll see what comes in. And then he was like, do you want to see anything else? You want to look around? He opened up the drawer, showed me all the other sizes they had. They didn't have anything in that I wanted. There was a black polo and a white polo, but I didn't really want it and so we were just playing and he was like, okay, let me bring up the order for the polo. And I was like, oh, and I'm picking up the t-shirts. Then he went to get the t-shirt, wrapped it up. It came in a pack. The package was there. So I took the package out, opened the package. It was wrapped in a little box. I can do an unboxing of it if you want, but it's already opened. It's the same thing. Maybe I'll do it with the orange one together. So then we were sitting there and he was like, hey, have you ever been interested in this bag? Okay, spoiler, I got, because I can't really tell the story without telling you what bag it is. Basically, I will tell the story after I open the bag because I'm gonna open the bag, just get it through, and then tell you the story of how it happened. Here's the bag. Tied a ribbon on the top. Here we go. Oh. I'm gonna do the unboxing the other way. Okay, please hold. Okay, I think the best way to do this is just to do the unboxing over here while I talk about it. So basically he was like, hey, have you ever been interested in this bag? And I was like, no, not really. But he's like, because I have one, and do you want to see it? And I was like, sure, why not? So he goes to the back, comes back with a box, and he's like, I had this for my client who's been waiting for it for over a year. She came and saw it and said she needed a couple hours to think about it. And I was like, and he was like, but it'll probably be sold before then. He's like, listen, this, out of all the bags I've ever sold, this is not a bag I sell a lot. It's the bag I sell the least of. And he said about a couple of his coworkers said the same thing, that they never sell this bag. It's very hard to get. It's really hard to get. And I don't know how much of that was just hype or it was, you know, like marketing, whatever, but it definitely worked. He took out the bag and I was like, oh my God, I love this bag. So he was like, I've never thought about it. I've always thought it's kind of cool bag. It's very interesting, but I'd never thought about it. So he brought it out. This is it. It's so cute. How cute is this? I mean, you guys, this is so cute. It's a mini Lindy 20, I think. Swift in beige de Weimar, which is a dark brown neutral, which I'm really loving. And it kind of feels like a darker chai, like a very like caramel, like a creamy brown. It feels very creamy. It feels like cream and so soft. Beige de Weimar with palladium hardware. And it's so cute, especially when you hold it like that. And then it also obviously has the strap, which I haven't taken out yet because I'm not gonna wear this. A, because I don't want a few people to see it. And B, I'm not gonna wear it until France. I'm gonna take it with me to France and wear it in France to help me hopefully get my bag and be like, look. And like, so first of all, story. So he brought it out. I was like, oh. He's like, try it on. And I was like, okay, I'll try it on. He's like, literally, this is one of the hardest bags yet. And literally everyone in the store started looking at me. Like there was a few girls, like people were checking me out. And he even was like, are you seeing all these people looking at you? And I was like, yeah. And then one of the other essays came up to me and she's like, oh, it was the dog essay. She's like, I was like, I know. And I was like, I don't know. I mean, I didn't want to like, you know that thing where you like don't, I think this is like an Indian thing and it's because it's a haggle thing. Like you don't want to show too much interest because then they're not going to haggle down on the price. We're not haggling over this. Obviously we're not haggling over this. The price is set, but it's like ingrained in me to not show too much interest and too excited about it. So I like held back my excitement. And he was like, look, it seems like you don't love it. If you don't love it, no worries. But I just thought you might be interested and I wanted you to see it, at least to see it, because it would behoove me not to show it to you. He was also like, and I never sell this bag. So, and I thought you would like it. And I was like, no, I like it. Let me just, and he's like, why don't you wear it around a little bit? Let's talk and look and let's go pay for the shirt. And so I started wearing it around the store and I was just playing with it and I talking to my friend who's there and I was just like kind of filling it out. I took like a couple of videos of me. I like walked around with it and I could tell people were looking. He's like, did you see that person looking? Did you see that person looking? And I was like, yes, I did. And then I was like, how can I not get this? He's like, this is a really hard to get bag. I feel like I kind of a little bit won the lottery because they don't give these out that much. And it's so cute and it's so different. What I really like about it is it's so different, okay? So like, it just doesn't look, I mean, it's still got the classic Hermes style, but it doesn't look, it looks like a cool little, I don't know. It also like when you take the little things off, it looks like, when you take the little eyes off, it looks like the Oreo monsters, which I kind of like. So let me show it to you. So basically, Lindy, bring it up. I'll do a longer video of what fits in and what I think of it once I start using it. But basically, it's got this turny twist. All the plastic's still on, so I'm going to be a little careful. But it says Hermes Paris here, Hermes Paris here. It says Hermes Paris on both sides of this. It's got a little twisty thing, and it comes like that. And then you kind of have to twist it one way to take this one off. And you have to twist it the other way to take the other one off, like diagonal, which is different than the Birkin or the Kelly, where you just kind of twist it and they both come off, right? Because these are at a diagonal instead of straight on. So it does take it a little more, it's a little more delicate to like use in and out. And like I said, I'll do another video with like the pros and cons. Like I don't really love the fact that this strap is not detachable. So it's always crossbody, but I do love that it's crossbody because it's super easy. And I'll do a video with me wearing it in a sec, or I'll insert a video of me wearing it. Yeah, and it's like this. Okay, and then this has this cloth on it. Also, rain jackets. And he was like, look, we're moving on up. I was like, okay, this is like a good sign that we're getting closer to getting my bag because A, he's offering me this. He said we're moving on up. B, this bag comes with a rain jacket and it's like a higher ticket item, harder to get. This might be one of the most expensive bags I bought actually so far, I think. But also like the fact that I got it, you know, and I was offered it and I got it. I think, I don't know. I could just tell it was like, he was like, we're getting there. Even though he already said that, I think, and I was like, look, is this going to affect my chances of getting what I assume is, no, it's a new year. Everything resets. And I was like, is it too much? No. And I really hope that's true because I really hope that this isn't going to hurt me. Your spending amount doesn't reset as far as I understand. So my spending amount is still okay. I think that resets after 2 years, which I'm coming up on in August from when I first started spending heavily for this Werkin by Birkin kind of thing. So I hope that that doesn't reset, and I'm gonna ask him about that next time actually. But the new year resets in terms of like my leather spend for this year. Also, you're spending here versus there. Like, I guess they can see here, but we here can't see there. So I told him, you know, I was like, I'm going to France, and I was like, I'm gonna try to get a, you know, Kelly a Birkin there first, and then try to get my one here. Because I was like, you know, I really want to get my Birkin. Basically, a lot of this is just my understanding. So I assume that if I get one there, is fine for getting one here. But if I got one here, it'd be a lot harder for me to get one there because I just got one here, and they can see that because that's headquarters versus here. So I'm hoping I get one there first. I'm gonna get my Kelly there first, and then I come back and I get my Birkin here. I love that it has the little clothy thing, because who doesn't love that? So yeah, I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna take the little cloth off. Okay, and it says Hermès Paris, made in France there. But yeah, you can kind of wear it like this, and then doesn't it look like the little All Real Monsters character? Hello. 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 And you can like kind of wear it like open like that, and then these zip out, right? And it opens up like that. It's so soft, this leather. And little pooches inside. And it's actually quite big and spacious inside. I mean, it's a pretty big bag. I think this is bigger than my Chanel. Actually, I'll bring that right now and compare, but it's like pretty decent sized. You kind of, you know, you can also just kind of wear it, do that if you wanted to, kind of wear it like that. You can have these guys go inside if you wanted them to. The little stamps on the inside. It's got 2 pockets on the outside and 2 pockets on the inside. It's so soft. Everything just feels so soft. It's Swift, so it is a little more delicate. So I am being a little more careful with it. But it's this beautiful caramel brown, yummy color. I like the look of it kind of open, because I like all the look of all their bags kind of open. So I kind of want to wear it like this. And then when it's this, you can stretch it. I mean, you can obviously wear it, like hold it like this, and just kind of have that dangle, which I do love that kind of look too. It's too small to fit up my arm. If you have a very tiny wrist, maybe, but you can hold it like this. But that's kind of what it looks like, but it's like that. I think when you do squish it, I think that you should put it like with this all on so that it's a little more structured, not so squished. I think you're supposed to do the left one first and then the right one, because the left one doesn't have the logo on it. So you can kind of squish it like that. And that's the kind of look I see it with all the time. But yeah, I'm really excited. Oh, it also says H's on like, it says H's on both right here. I think that's so cute. I'm really excited. And I don't have any brown bags. I have my rose gold, but that's about it. Do I? Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'm really excited to use this, and I'm really excited about this bag, and I can't wait to take it in Paris. I'm gonna take rain jackets with it because it's gonna be raining because it's January and I'm already there right now, apparently. So this video is being posted probably on my first weekend there. Okay. Oh, hi. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me and Lindy, me and Lindy, me and Linz. Okay, thank you. Bye.